How to recover deleted stories in Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Basically your feed area where you can see your friends posts and basically all the posts that you followed. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part you'll see 6 different options there. You will tap on the three dash lines there, the menu, and here on the menu what I want you to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy. Now here on settings and privacy, I want you to tap on settings and it will lead you here. Now the next thing that you want to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see your information section there, and there's a lot of options, but I want you to tap on download your information. Now here on download your information, you have to actually request a copy for your activity on your Facebook. So you have to deselect all. On the right side, you will see deselect all. Tap on that. And you just have to find stories there. So since we want to actually recover the deleted story, right? Now here on stories, it's actually under comments and reactions and above bug bounty. Tap on stories here and then tap on done. Scroll all the way down and tap on here. You'll see date range. So for example, you can actually set the date range for that here, and you can choose your own format file here. But now here in create file, you have now submitted a request for your stories, and you just have to wait for Facebook to actually send it to your email account. And basically that is how you recover deleted stories in Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.